Wednesday is expected to bring much of the same weather as Tuesday, but with a slight shift towards clearer skies. The IMD has forecast sunny and clear conditions throughout the day with no alerts or warnings issued for Goa. That said, it's still going to be hot and humid, so don't let the clear skies fool you. The temperature will continue to hover around 35 degrees Celsius during the day, while nighttime lows are expected at 28. Humidity levels will remain high, which means that even if it looks pleasant outside, it's going to feel warmer than the numbers suggest. We'll also be starting off the day with light fog in some areas, which may reduce visibility early in the morning, especially in low-lying or rural parts of the state. But this fog is expected to lift quickly, giving way to bright and dry conditions through the rest of the day. Winds will be light, so don't expect much in terms of natural ventilation or a cooling breeze. If you're spending time outdoors, make sure to wear light, breathable clothing, drink plenty of fluids, and take breaks in the shade or indoors where possible. In short, it's another clear but muggy day ahead for Goa. No rain, no warnings, just typical tropical heat and plenty of sunshine. Wednesday brings clearer skies similar to Tuesday's weather. IMD forecasts sunny and dry conditions, no alerts or warnings for Goa. Daytime high around 35 degrees Celsius, nighttime low near 28. High humidity continues, expected to feel warmer than it is. Light fog likely in the morning may reduce visibility in low-lying areas. Fog expected to lift quickly, leading to a bright, dry day. Light winds mean little natural relief from the heat. Wear light clothes, stay hydrated and take shade breaks outdoors. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.